Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Happy Birthday Lizmo at Nails of Lizmo. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Tesla Day Nails. Our theme was pink, my favorite. I started off with Nailtique's Formula 2, and this is Essence, and this one is High Pink Panther. So we're going to just hop right on in and get started. So this polish, it's an oldie, but it's got a good formula, and I love the brush, and it really could have been a one coater, but y'all know I'm going to do two, because it's just how my mind works. It's just how it goes. Come on, camera. Here we go with that second coat of High Pink Panther. Very nice. Beautiful cream polish. I topped it with I&M's Out the Door, and I'm going to use Anchor and Hearts Sea Glass, or whatever it's called, the matte top coat that I'm in love with right now. And then I'm going to use BM XL08. Got to get that blue film off of it and get it cleaned up with some acetone real quick. And I'm going to be using my SheModern Jelly Stamper and the SheModern Opaque Black Sticky Stamping Polish and the Holo Black Glitter Pixie, or Pixie, no, Glitter Pixie. There we go. I do have a makeup, like an eyeshadow sponge out. We'll see. So I decided to go with like an animal theme print because, I don't know, pink and black polish, just that combo just always works for me. It always makes me happy. I'm using a little piece of tape to get up any excess up that I don't want transferring. So there we go. We've got the stamping polish on the nail, and now we're going to get in and see. I'm going to start off trying to do this with the makeup applicator, the eyeshadow applicator, but I just end up using my finger because I find that easier. It's just, to me, it's way more easy. So now I'm going to tap it. Now, these do better if you tap them on the bottom of the bottle. So here, we're still trying to use that, makeup applicator, but I end up using my finger because I'm telling you, it's just so much easier. So we are doing like the cheetah print and the zebra print, or tiger print. Decided to mix it up just a little bit. Now, if you have not tried the SheModern Sticky Stamping Polishes, the lovely thing is they stay wet tacky for a while. So you don't have to be in a major rush, and you can do stuff like this. So I'm tapping that in with my finger and going in and tapping some more onto the nail. Doing it over a paper towel so I have easy cleanup. And I am leaving them, I'm not brushing them off until the end. When I get to the end of doing all of them, then I'll brush the excess off. I do use my lint roller to get it off my finger. Works great. Works super duper great. Here we go with some more stamping action. But before I forget, I will have a link for all the manicures for our friend Lizmo. If you want to go check out the other manicures done in honor of her birthday over there on the Instagram. And lots and lots of beautiful manicures. I've already seen some of them, so just giving you a heads up, you might want to go check that out, as well as links to all the other participants. Personally, I like to follow the hashtag. It's easy. You just go to the hashtag page and they're all there in one place. So here we go. I'm going to scrape, and pull up that image again. Going in with my little piece of tape. I don't know why I'm so worried about the sides, because that is no way going to end up on my nail, but, we do what we do. Ta-da! Fancy! Alright, so here we go with the last of the tapping. And I do love this black hollow glitter. It is so pretty. So pretty, especially when the sun catches it. There we go. I will also have a link to SheModern down below. Hopefully I'll remember. And I don't have my own discount code, but I have my friends, and it's Jill10, and that'll get you 10% off your order if you order from the SheModern website. If you go to the Amazon website, I'm pretty sure you can't use it there, but, you know, it's, you know, it's however you want to do it. But I just want to throw that out there. So, you know that this is not my own affiliate link or anything. I'm just trying to help y'all get a discount on the things that we love. I've been having a blast with all of this SheModern stuff. Look how pretty. So I'm going to clean my stamping plate up with pure acetone, my little mat, and all my little goodies. Flip that cotton ball over and re-wet it with some more acetone. Because I really do like to put all my stuff up clean. It just, to me, it just makes sense. Stop and do it now. That way it's ready next time. I am rubbing over also with a lint-free wipe. Kind of take care of the smudges. Now here's that brush in action. I told you I would take care of these when we got to the end. We're brushing all that extra glitter off. Starting to come true. You can see it. Alright, I'm going to fold my paper towel so I don't get that glitter everywhere. Now, I did try to use my tape trick. I didn't put on any Burt's Bees or anything, so that wasn't working so well. So I'm just going to go in with my cleanup brush and do the best I can with this cleanup here. Isn't that pretty? Just like it is. But it wouldn't stay like that because, you know, washing hands, bust all that stuff loose, so we're going to have to do some more to this. We're not there yet. We're almost there. You're going to have to excuse me clear my throat. I do apologize that it's so not cool, but it's spring here and everything's blooming still, which in a lot of ways is a good thing, but when it comes to sinuses, it's not. So here we go. I'm going to use the clear sealer. It's the water-based polish. Now, I'm going to just straight up tell you right now, I shouldn't have done this because it ends up, I mean, it does dry down some, but look, it's still kind of cloudy looking. So I'm not going to do that again. I'm going to stick to just top coating it. I'm going to have to dedicate a bottle of top coat to glitter bits and whatnots. So I am using Seche Vite over that to seal it in. Capping my free edge here. Haven't done my thumb yet, so don't pay attention to that just yet. Gonna get Woody out here. Of course, y'all can't see him very good, but he's there. There he is. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.